and welcome to this video from Heybridge High School and Sixth Form Maths Department. This video is about percentages greater than 100%. To convert a decimal to a percentage, we multiply it by 100. This means that the number 1 is equivalent to 100% because 1 times 100 equals 100. Any number greater than 1 is equivalent to more than 100%. So here's our first example. Express 1.25 as a percentage. So I'm converting a decimal to a percentage. So I'm going to multiply my decimal by 100 and that will give me 125. So 1.25 is equal to 125%. Here's our next question. Express 3.4 as a percentage. So we're going to do the same again. To convert a decimal to a percentage, we multiply by 100. And 3.4 multiplied by 100 is 340. So 3.4 is equal to 340%. And our third example, express 12.63 as a percentage. So we're going to do exactly the same again. We're going to multiply our decimal by 100 to convert it to a percentage. And that will be equal to 1,263%. So 12.63 is equal to 1,263%. Improper fractions are fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and you might have heard them called something else. So you might hear them referred to as top-heavy fractions or vulgar fractions. So these are fractions where the numerator is bigger than the denominator, and they also have equivalent percentages that are greater than 100%. Now, if you remember, to convert fractions into percentages, we need to express the fraction as an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. So let's start off with an easy one. So express 159 over 100 as a percentage. Now we're quite lucky here because we've already got our denominator as 100. So when the denominator is 100, the numerator is the percentage. So the answer here would be that 159 over 100 is equal to 159%. Here's our next question. Express 63 over 50 as a percentage. So, we first of all need to change 63 over 50 into an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 100. Well, 50 multiplied by 2 is 100. And remember, when we are converting fractions to equivalent fractions, whatever we multiply the denominator by or divide the denominator by, we also have to multiply or divide the numerator by the same number. So I'm also going to multiply 63 by 2, and that will give me 126. Now, as I said before, when we have a fraction with a denominator of 100, the numerator is the percentage. So 63 over 50 is equal to 126%. And our final question. Express 47 over 20 as a percentage. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to start with 47 over 20. Now 20 times 5 is 100. So I'm going to multiply my denominator by 5. 47 multiplied by 5 will give me 235. So my equivalent fraction is going to be 235 over 100. So 47 over 20 is equal to 235%. Now, you must remember that you can increase an amount by more than 100%. You can increase an amount by whatever percentage you want to, but you cannot decrease an amount by more than 100% because you've only got 100%. So if I've got a bag of sweets and I give them away, I can't give away more than 100%. Because I've only got 100%. 100% is the whole amount, that's all that there is. And once you've decreased by 100%, there is nothing left. So that's why you cannot decrease an amount by more than 100%. Thank you for watching.